Ready, start. So, except in very serious cases of fraud, we cannot use this full stop. So, I have amended that provision full stop. And the normal provisions under the CRPC will apply as far as bail is concerned full stop. Now, the provisions are being amended, were referred to by Shri Rahman Khan, are relating to the mandatory capital limit full stop. Similarly, the whole idea of a company seal has also now started becoming about a relic as far as global laws are concerned full stop. So, our law is being brought to this level full stop. The third amendment relates to deposits full stop. If there is a prohibition in accepting deposits and if company violates that and still accepts deposits, a provision was enacted but punishment for violation was forgotten to put in full stop. So, that gap has to be filled up by virtue of an amendment full stop. The next provision is with regard to inspection of records of companies full stop. Now, AGM resolutions are meant for public display full stop, but board resolutions are not full stop. A board resolution of a company may actually contain confidential things full stop. You have a private company or a public company, its entire corporate strategy may be contained in the board's resolution, the manner in which its financial strategy may be contained in that, its intellectual property strategy may be contained in it full stop. It may contain saying that this is going to be the name of my product, this is going to be the patent that I am going to ask for, etc. Full stop. So, these are not available for public display anywhere, full stop. So, this act elaborated the distinction between a board resolution and an AGM resolution, full stop. Hence, a correction had to be done, full stop. There was another lapse that has taken place, full stop. There was a provision for setting up of past losses and depreciation before declaring dividend, full stop. If you have accumulated losses, full stop, first you account for the accumulated losses and only then the shareholders get dividend, full stop. Now, this provision was put under the rules without putting it in the act, full stop. So, the gap, as far as drafting is concerned, has to be rectified, full stop. Similarly, there is a transferring equity shares for which unclaimed dividend has to be transferred to the investor education fund, full stop. Now, the rule is that for 7 years, if dividend is not claimed, then that is to be transferred, full stop. Now, there was a drafting error into this that even if it is not claimed for 1 year, full stop, there was a little ambiguous drafting which has to be corrected, full stop. Sir, I support the black money under bracket undisclosed foreign income and assets and imposition of tax bill, 2015, full stop. As our leader has said, the Congress party fully supports this bill, full stop. At the same time, we have to bring up certain deficiencies which are there to be rectified in future amendments, full stop. First of all, I would like to bring to the attention of the government that we are bound by the United Nations General Assembly which, as early as 31st October, 2003, had made that on the basis of recalling its resolution number 61 of 4th December, 2000, it established an ad hoc committee to go into the question of these types of evasion of taxation throughout the world, full stop. It happened for 3 years by having different types of meetings and finally, they came forward with the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, full stop. I would just quote the beginning of the preamble, I quote, concerned about the seriousness of problems and threats posed by corruption to the stability and security of societies, undermining the institutions and values of democracy, ethical values and justice, jeopardizing sustainable development and the rule of law, full stop. This is where the government has it, full stop. All the states parties of the convention have signed it, full stop. 140 countries have signed this convention, full stop. On that basis, comma, different levels of discussions were going on, and finally, comma, there came out with different topics and chapters, comma, so to say, comma, covering about 71 articles, full stop, in different ways, full stop. States parties have to follow it in their own countries, full stop. I find that this particular bill, which is coined as the black money bill, under bracket undisclosed foreign income and assets, and imposition of tax bill is very fragile, and it is only an extension of section 139 of the income tax act, full stop. Section 139 is very clear in stating that the filing of income tax return is compulsory, full stop. In various cases, full stop, they are saying that, full stop. Finally, comma, subclause 4 provides that any asset, including financial interest in any entity located outside India or signing authority in any account located outside India, is required to file a return of income in prescribed form compulsorily, comma, whether or not the has the income chargeable to tax, full stop. But comma, if you see the present act, comma, it defines as to why this particular act has been brought out in India after many years, full stop. Stop.